Wanna know how I did this? Let me show you how. Hi, hello and welcome back to another video on Quartz components. Today I'll be demonstrating how you can easily copy the controls from an RF remote control into a duplicator, a clone RF remote control using 3 simple steps. To start with the components, we have an RF remote with a frequency of 433 MHz and a cloning remote with the same frequency. Note that the clone remote cannot individually communicate with the 433 MHz receiver and requires a code to be copied from the original transmitter. Regarding the circuitry, I have employed the same circuit as used in our demonstration of home automation using an RF remote control. You can find a link to the video in the description below. So to start with the cloning, we first need to reset the code present in the cloning remote. To do this, simply hold the top 2 buttons until the LED flashes. Once this is done, release both buttons. Press and hold button A and press the button B thrice to ensure the code is erased. To verify if the code is erased, try pressing the buttons that you were using earlier. As you can see, they no longer perform those functions. To copy a button from the original remote to the clone remote, place them within 10 mm of each other and press the desired button on the original remote. At the same time, press the corresponding button on the clone remote. Hold both buttons down until the LED on the clone remote flashes. Now test if the code has been copied successfully by pressing the buttons that you cloned. As you can see, the top buttons are now switching the bulb on and off. You can also retrieve the previous code on this module. First, let's reset the clone again. Now that I have reset it, I will check if it's reset. Yes, the buttons are no longer working. My code has been reset. Now to retrieve the code, I will be holding down the bottom 2 buttons until the LED flashes. As you can see, the code is now retrieved. To verify, I will try pressing the top 2 buttons, and as you can see, they are performing the same functions as they were before. This remote can be used to control different modes similar to the original RF remote. As you can see, we are in momentary mode as of now, and the bulb glows till I keep holding the button and switches off as soon as I let go of it. The second mode is the toggle mode. I have used the downward arrow key to control toggle mode. As you can see, the bulb turns on and off by the downward arrow key. Button A still performs the momentary operations. There you go, the remotes are now successfully cloned and the cloning remote replicates the operations of the original RF remote easily. You can use either of the two to control the light bulbs now. If your devices are in toggle mode, you can store up to 4 clone functions from 4 different remotes. However, if your devices are in latch mode, you can only store 2 clone functions from 2 remotes. This way, you can perform functions of multiple remotes using a single remote, which provides ease and comfort to the homeowners. Hope you liked this easy tutorial. Like this video and share it with your friends. Check out the tutorial for DIY home automation using an RF remote to understand the circuit connection and working of different modes. Subscribe to Quartz Components and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.